Hello, it's Raymond from VivaMK. Just unboxing a VivaMK delivery. So let's have a look, see what the customers are buying from inside the catalogues. So this time we've got some Christmas, we've got some House Proud, we've got some VivaMK. So let's see what we have of what. If you're interested in doing this from home, just PM me and I'll send you details over. Okay, thank you. So we get this box opened and see what's inside it. So on top we've got the delivery note. Got some packing. We've got a nice little crane box. So we've got some more packing. So we've got a penguin game. Got a packet of money wallets. So we got like a activity book. We got a second activity book. So we got some for Christmas money wallets. So we've got some soup and sauce bags. So if you're making soup and you're making too much or making a large portion, then we just pour the soup into the bags and put them in the fridge to eat later. So we got a packet of batteries. Got a CBBB's magnetic fishing game. So we've got a fly insect killer. So we've got a fridge freshener, so keep your fridge smelling nice. So we've got a Clean Easy 2-in-1 telescopic window cleaner set. So it should be able to clean your top second floor windows from the ground. So we've got a nice little warm festive fleece throw. Got a second one, so you can actually feel the warmth in your hands, just picking them up. So we've got two shopping bags, blue one and the red one. We've got a third, got two more shopping bags here with a blue tit and just a butterfly in the back. So we've got some shaken vac for your carpets to get rid of your pet deodorants. It's got a silver polishing cloth. we've got a little tea bag holder. So we've got some cooking liner to put on the bottom of your baking trays. So we've got two 50 battery operated lights, one white light and one cold light. So got some they have maybe some makeup in here. See what's been packed inside a jiffy bag. So we've got some waterproof mascara. We've got a second waterproof mascara. And we got a twist long lasting eyeliner. We got some CC cream, colour correction cream, SPF 30. So that's jiffy bag empty. So we've got the second jiffy bag. So in this jiffy bag we've got some flaming orange fat burning drink. It's got your ingredients and how to use it on the back. So that's this bag, second jiffy bag empty. So inside the box we've got another box all sealed up. So that's the big box empty from VivaMK. So let's have a look, see what's inside this box. So on top we've got some VivaMK bleach tablets to put in your washing, keep your whites white. Got some of our favourite stuff, the drain away. Another box of tub of drain away. We got some Clean Easy Mop and Shine. Got some eco-friendly daily shower spray and cleaner. We got some VivaMK mold and mildew remover. It's got some VivaMK mold away. And we got some VivaMK jewellery cleaner.